So this is a 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. Veloster.
Velociraptor.
And it's got a busted hanger for the muffler here. It was actually pulled apart the other day. We put a temporary fix in, and this pipe is not stock. It's really lightweight, so we're going to replace that while we're at it. So we got some new parts from Rock Auto. Better quality connector pipe. And then they actually didn't list these hangers specifically for this model, but other Hyundais use this. They didn't have this one listed at all, so these look like what came off, so we're going to put those in. Get the muffler supported on the portable jack stand. See Evan's taking the clamps off. These are 14mm in this case.
So, turns out the pipe is like the exact same size as the pipe that we're trying to put it over, so it might not go on. Alright guys, so here's a quick update for you. We actually had to run to the store, get the proper size for the pipe, because the one we actually got ended up being the exact size of the exhaust. So, now we got another pipe, ended up cutting off a larger piece of the pipe, and now we have the perfect size for it. Now we're just reattaching it.
Yep, slid right on.
Great. Also guys, I did this in an earlier video, but it turned out it wasn't recording. I wanted to give myself a quick shout out. If you guys want to find me on YouTube, my YouTube channel is Evan Davis. I make trendy scooter videos, like scooter like Razor, except pro. Like my bars are $300 and are made out of titanium. So yeah, if you guys want to go check that out, Evan Davis on YouTube, Evan Davis on everything else as well, like Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Yeah, sick. Now back to fixing the car.
So we're going to tap it home, but we're going to use a soft face mallet so we don't bend the ends over.
Okay.
Yeah, if you hold that there, you should hold that steady.
Oh yeah, there you go.
There we go.
That was better.
Like a little persuasion. Evan's just putting the original clamps back on. So you guys back can eat your hearts out because, you know, no salt. We get to use our muffler clamps again and again and again.
No salt.
On the roads.
Ooh, cramp. Tell me, do you think this is too far over?
This regular one. No, I think it's all right.
Yeah, you saw where I put it?
Yeah. It's a little further than I normally would have gone, but, you know, I don't think it's that big a deal. I guess it's my anal. Well, normally I shoot for about like that, maybe half an inch clear. Fairly tight, but not super tight.
To the point where it might crack it.
Well, you don't want to put too big a dent in, so feel that. Thing is, you want the outer pipe to bend down to the inner pipe, but you don't want to bend the inner pipe. Because if you do, you never get them apart, because they'll be toothed together like that, you know. It was interesting that other pipe when we put it back on, it's so soft I could feel it collapsing.
There we go.
Alright. Now we get to play with the rubber thing. I mean, you can be brave and muscle these on, but you know, I'm an old guy, so I work harder than I have to.
I'll have gloves on it, so you could flip it.
Let's do the top one first with the 6.
Like this? Like this. Doesn't matter. Wow. Oh. Yeah. There we go.
Yep.
Oh man.
You don't want them to fall off.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright.
On to the next thing.
Well, unfortunately, we lost the last bit of clip for this video, but we were pretty much finished. Didn't mention it in the video, but the spray that we saw going on to the rubber hangers before installation was a silicone-based lubricant, and that's just so to make it easier to push them over the support rods, because otherwise it's really difficult. And we like to use silicone because it won't attack the rubber in the long run, whereas WD-40 or oil tend to attack things that are rubber-based. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Had a lot of help from Evan Davis on this one. I hope you enjoyed that as well, and I hope you will subscribe and like. See you next time.